Welcome to this complete guide on how to create your own WhatsApp link on iPhone. A very useful tool if you want people to message you on WhatsApp directly, whether for business, personal use, or social media profiles. With a WhatsApp link, anyone can contact you with just one click. No need to save your number first. Let's break down every step clearly and in detail. Step 1. Open your Notes or browser. Start by opening either the Notes app or any browser like Chrome or Safari. You'll use it to build your custom link. Step 2. Use the basic WhatsApp link format. WhatsApp has an official feature called Click to Chat. The basic link format is https://wa.me/yournumber. Take your full phone number, including your country code. For example, if you live in Indonesia and your number is 081234567890, use +628. If you're in the US with number 1234567890. Now that you've created your WhatsApp link, press and hold the link, then click Copy Link. You can share it anywhere you want. In your Instagram bio, as a button on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel description, or etc. And that's it. You've now created a personalized WhatsApp link that lets anyone message you instantly. Whether you're promoting a service, helping customers reach you faster, or just making chatting easier, this is a powerful and free tool to use. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.